Hey guys, in this video I'm going to show you how to create an anime poster with Nano Banana. So I have this example right here. You can literally take your own image or your own characters and turn them into anime posters. First, we'll come here, click on New Chat on Google Gemini, click here on Tools, toggle this one on, Create Images, okay? And then what I want you to do is use prompts. I'll give you examples. Of course, they'll be in the description as well. So you can either do one from scratch, text to image. We'll do both, okay? And there's also the character focus poster, image to image editing as well. So basically right here, we're asking them to transform this character into a dynamic, heroic anime style. For example, like Attack on Titan, we're specifying the anime. And we're asking them to give her a powerful, battle-ready stance with sword raised high. Her hair should be flowing dramatically. So let me show you what we did. We just came here to Google Gemini. As you can see, this is our base image for reference. Just drag and drop it and then put in the prompt. Okay, just click on submit and look at what it came up with. Very, very accurate. And now we'll do text to image. Okay, something from scratch. We'll do this one right here. Just copy paste the prompt. Of course, you can go ahead and use your own prompts or use this one from the description. Paste that in, hit submit. Let me explain what's going on here. We're basically asking it to create a young male protagonist. Okay, spiky black hair. We're describing the character. Okay, glowing blue eyes, what they're wearing exactly as well, the pose, the art style, 90s classic shonen anime, sharp lines, vibrant colors. As you can see, check this out, right? Very, very accurate. And that is how to create an anime poster with Nano Banana.